Welcome to an intro to the Open Arithmetic Prealgebra course offered free by Phoenix College as part of the 2013 AZSCITECH Festival. My name is James Souza. I'm a math instructor at Phoenix College. For a little bit of a background, I've been creating math tutorial videos hosted on YouTube for over 2 years now, but it isn't until recently that I've been able to combine free ebooks and a free online assessment program in order to create complete online courses. And the featured Arithmetic Prealgebra course covers the following topics. Let's go ahead and take a look at the course. This is where all the course materials are located, so once registered, this is where we would log in. We do want to select this third option, Force Image-Based Math, and then click Login. Again, once registered, there will only be one course over here on the left, 2013 Open Arithmetic / Prealgebra. So if I click on this link, this is the home page of the course. Notice this first link here is for announcements. This first announcement contains important information about the course, including this video welcome, entering answers, and a way to download or purchase the textbook. Let's take a look at how the course materials are organized. It's very similar to a textbook, but instead of chapters we have modules. So there are 7 modules to this course. Let's go and enter Module 2. All the modules are organized the same way. Every module contains several sections. After the sections, we have an optional practice test and then a module test. Within each section, there are 3 subsections. So if I click on section 2.1, we have a textbook link, video links, and then a homework link. And again, each section has these 3 same links. So if I click on the textbook link, this brings up the textbook, which is a PDF file, so this can be saved or printed. Next are the videos, and there are 2 types of videos. There are video lessons and video examples. Again, these are all hosted on YouTube. Let's go and take a look at a video lesson. Welcome to an introduction to integers. The goals of this video are to define the set of integers, compare integers using inequality symbols, define the absolute value of an integer, and then determine the opposite of an integer. Integers are the numbers, so these lessons are designed so that you can take notes from the slides in your math notebook, and the math notebook is an important component to be successful in the course. So after watching the video lesson, you can also watch the supporting example videos if you wish. Let's take a look at one of these. These have graph paper background. To order these integers from least to greatest, we'll go ahead and plot these on the number line, and that will automatically put them in order from least to greatest because the smallest numbers occur on the left. So after reading the textbook and watching the videos, you should be ready for the homework. Let's take a look at the homework. Here we're asked to compare -20 and -9 using inequality symbols. Within a homework question, if you need extra help, most of the questions have this worked example or video link, which opens up another video that works a similar problem to help you solve the given problem. We want to compare the integers using the greater than, less than, or equal symbol. There's also an option here to post this question to a forum, and this will allow you to get help from other students in the class, and I will also monitor this forum. This forum is called the Math Lounge, so if I click on this link, it takes this homework question, as we see here, and posts in the Math Lounge. But it is important that you also ask a specific question so that someone can help you. As a third option for help, you can click on this Jump to Answer link, which will give you the answer to the specific question. But then to get credit for the question, you would have to work a similar question, meaning the numbers would change. So the way the homework is set up, there's unlimited attempts for each question, but if you miss the question twice, to get credit, you will have to work a similar problem, not the exact same problem. So again, every section is set up the same way. We have the textbook, the videos, and then the homework link. Let's go back to the home page. You can also access the Math Lounge from the discussion forums, where you can click on New Thread and then post any other questions or comments that you have about the course. To check your progress at any time from the home page, you can click on the online gradebook here, and it will give you specific grades for each assignment, and at the bottom it will give you an overall score in the course. Because this course is an open course, there are no due dates, which would normally show on the calendar from this calendar link here. I hope you found this introduction helpful. Before I show you how to register for the course, I do want to mention one more thing. If you're interested in getting help on other courses other than arithmetic or pre-algebra, I do have videos that range all the way through Calc 3 and beyond, which you can access several ways. One way is through my YouTube channel, which is Bolcleo1, given here at the bottom as well, or if you visit mathispowerforyou.com, click on the course tab above and then scroll through the library. And a third option is to go to the Math is Power for You blog. Again, the address is given here below, where you can actually search by topic using this window here. To obtain registration directions for the Arithmetic Pre-Algebra course, please visit Math is Power for You to download the registration information. I hope you find these resources helpful.